Today, I'm going to share how I healed my acne scars with a Dr. Sebi-inspired alkaline detox diet, herbs, and Cmos, and how you can do it too. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha, Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. This is video number 2 in my Cmos series. Make sure to check out the first video in this series where I share how to make Cmos gel and Cmos water. I'll link to that video below so that you can watch it after this video. But let's dive right into today's video, how I healed my acne scars with Dr. Sebi-inspired detox diet, herbs, and Cmos. I've been using Cmos in the form of Dr. Sebi's Bromide Plus powder for over 4 years now. I believe that bromide and a healthy diet helped me conceive and have a healthy pregnancy with no deficiencies in iron or calcium, which are really common during pregnancy, because Cmos contains 92 of the 102 minerals that our body needs, which is why it is so good for us. I have specific videos on Dr. Sebi's Bromide Plus powder and how it affected my pregnancy, and also on how to prepare it quick and easy. I'll link to those in the description box below for you to watch later. But in today's video, I am going to share exactly what I've been doing to improve my overall skin tone, reduce inflammation, and most importantly, heal and get rid of these irritating atrophic acne scars. Yes, y'all, atrophic acne scars that I have had for over 10 years. So if you suffer from atrophic acne scars, then you know that the treatment that is recommended, because I've searched everywhere, it's usually just fillers or some type of a laser treatment or very unnatural things that I don't want to do, because I try to be very conscious and make sure that I'm not putting toxins in my body. So the prognosis of healing these scars naturally has been pretty bleak. It's different from other acne scars, which are easier to fade because they're just on the surface, but these atrophic scars are much deeper, and they're usually caused from painful cystic acne, which is what I suffered from as a teenager all the way into adulthood. So cystic acne damages skin tissue and destroys collagen, which is why the skin atrophies and sinks in and has that sunken look. Like I said before, I've lived with these atrophic scars for over 10 years. I had gotten used to the idea of them being there, but in the back of my mind, I was like, there has to be a way to get rid of these things naturally. Potions, pills, creams from the doctors, they didn't work. But when I changed my diet, well, and I started to detox, well, and use herbs to open up my kidneys, skin, and my colon, which are all really important channels of elimination, getting rid of toxins during detox, that's when my healing began. The final ingredient to this healing formula was my homemade quality Cmos gel. And I repeat quality because there is fake dried Cmos out there that's being sold. And I'll be doing a video on this in this Cmos series on how to spot the real versus the fake, because I've been a victim of purchasing fake and it doesn't give you the same results and benefits as real Cmos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video coming up soon. Okay, so as you can see in this picture here, whew, girl, child, my atrophic scars were so deep, and my skin is also really inflamed and red in this picture. I didn't realize it because this picture is actually from a year ago. And funny enough, I took this picture because in my mind, when I was taking the picture, I was like, oh, my scars are getting better. And so I was like, let me take a picture. And I took the picture, and when I saw the picture, I was like, oh, actually, they're still really deep when I saw it in the picture. But at this time, a year ago, I hadn't yet found the whole truth about detoxing and eating alkaline, which is very different than just eating alkaline to maintain health. I'm eating alkaline on a detox, very strict diet to regenerate my organs, tissues, and glands at a systemic and cellular level so that I can heal my body from the inside out. If you want to understand the 3 detox diet levels and also a maintenance diet with alkaline eating, you can watch my video, Dr. Sebi Meal Plan Ideas, because I break down detox diet levels and explain the difference between a maintenance diet and a detox diet. So definitely watch that to understand. But at this point, back when I took this picture, I didn't know the difference. I was just eating basic alkaline foods, but I wasn't on an alkaline healing detox diet. Shortly after this time is when I discovered more in-depth information about alkaline eating for detox and healing, and also more about herbs, and that's when everything changed for me. But my skin didn't start to fully turn the corner until recently, when on top of the alkaline detox diet and herbs, I also began to make my own Cmos gel and use it internally and externally. Like I mentioned before, I posted a video on how to make Cmos gel and Cmos water. I posted that video last week. I'll link to it in the description box below. And I promised in that video that this week I would share unique ways to use Cmos that many people don't talk about. So this video will scratch the surface of these unique ways and unique uses of Cmos. And I'll also be sharing more unique ways in upcoming videos in this Cmos series. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know what to do so you don't miss them. I'll be sharing 3 unique ways in today's video. So what is my overall routine that brought about this crazy healing in my atrophic acne scarring that has been here for 10 years? I mean, look at this before and after. Well, I started an 8-week raw detox diet filled with hydrating fruits, raw fruit, and some raw veggies, but mainly raw fruits like watermelon and grapes and oranges, smoothies. Watch my video, What I Eat in a Day, to find out exactly what I eat on my alkaline detox diet, and also to find out which herbs I've been taking to help speed up my detox. I'll link to that below. But the game changer has been my homemade purple Cmos gel and Cmos water made from the dry Cmos that I purchased from YAGA Lifestyle. This is the high quality dried Cmos that I was able to find that met all of the criteria of real versus fake Cmos. After you watch my Cmos gel video, you'll learn just how easy it is to make this gel and this Cmos water. Cmos is so powerful for your skin because it has naturally occurring collagen that's easy for your body to absorb and recognize. It's good to get collagen from natural organic sources like Cmos instead of extracted in a pill form. So that's why I love to use homemade Cmos gel and Cmos water to actually get this collagen that will help to support your body while it heals from things like atrophic acne scarring. Here's what I've been doing using Cmos water and Cmos gel that's given me such great results. Every morning before I eat anything, I go to my refrigerator, get my Cmos gel out, and I take 1 tablespoon of homemade Cmos gel internally. Yes, y'all, I just down it all by itself, no smoothie. Just take 1 tablespoon, scoop it out, and swallow. And I do chase it with spring water. In my Cmos gel video, the first video in this Cmos series, I do share what I do to help get rid of that fishy sea taste in your gel so that it's not so strong. So definitely check that out because it's really not that bad when you take it in this form when you've used the tips and tricks that I show in that video. After I take my 1 tablespoon internally of Cmos gel, then I start my external skin routine. So I use this simple non-toxic soap. It's from Kiss My Face and my chamomile infused sponge from TEAMI to wash my face. I like this soap because it has only 3 ingredients, and it's important to make sure that what we're putting on our skin isn't filled with toxins, because if you're trying to detox your body, you don't want to turn around and put toxins on your largest eliminative organ, which is your skin. I'm going to link to all these products in the description box below, and also I have a discount code for 25% off any TEAMI products that you purchase, and the code is Lanae 25. I'll be sharing another TEAMI product that I use in my skin routine in a little bit, but the one unique use that I found for my Cmos water is to use it as a nutrient-dense skin toner, y'all. Yes, instead of using witch hazel, which is what I used to use as my skin toner after I washed my skin, I started using Cmos water. I believe God just gave me this revelation to use it as a toner because I was just thinking, what can I use this Cmos water for? There has to be other things than just the couple uses that I have right now. It's just like it came to me one day. It's like, use it as a toner. You can use it on your skin as a toner. So I immediately stopped using the witch hazel, started using Cmos water as my skin toner in the morning and at night after I wash my face. When I tell you that the texture and tone of my skin felt amazing right away, I've just noticed so many positive changes to my skin, and it feels really good when you put it on there. It's just tingling. It just feels really good. So I highly recommend using the Cmos water as a toner. I just use these little cotton circles, pour a little Cmos water on it, and rub it on my skin. And then then after I've allowed the Cmos water to absorb into my skin and dry, then I use my homemade Cmos gel on my face as a mask. I use the Cmos water as a toner 2 times a day, but I use the gel as a mask just 1 time a day, usually in the morning, and I'll leave it on for about 10 minutes or so until it's dried. Once it's dried, I also use my TEAMI quartz crystal roller to do lymphatic drainage massage on top of the mask. I share more about how to do this massage in my video, my new detox face routine, which I'll link below, but this crystal quartz roller helps the minerals from the Cmos gel mask to penetrate into my skin even more. After I wash the gel off my face, then I dry my face and I add my homemade DIY cream. And this cream, I love it. It's filled with so many healing oils. I went buck wild with this. I added everything but the kitchen sink in this. These healing oils are so good because they penetrate at the cellular level. Oils like emu oil, wild orange oil from doTERRA essential oils, they're small molecule oils, and many other healing oils. So I'll link to the complete DIY cream ingredient list below, and also links to where I purchased them below. And I also have a video on the exact recipe and how to make this cream, which I'll also link below. But I highly recommend it. And if you don't want to use every single oil in there, because like I said, I got a whole bunch of oils in there, you can just pick out and choose which oils you think are going to be most beneficial for your needs. But it works so well, and it helped to hydrate my skin during the winter months when I was having so much trouble with dry skin. This simple skin routine, in addition to hydrating and cleansing my body from the inside out with alkaline foods and herbs, this is what has helped my skin turn the corner and heal, and my acne scars to heal, and those atrophic scars that were sunken for 10 years, y'all, to rise up, rise up and heal. So, I mean, look at the results. I've been suffering from acne and acne scarring since I was a teenager into adulthood, and I was tired. So now I don't even know what to do with myself as an acne-free adult, free from acne scarring. Well, actually, I do share this information with you so that y'all don't have to trade places. What would I have been through? Name that movie. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel it could help others. And make sure to watch my videos, How to Detox with Fruit, Dr. Sebi for Beginners, and my complete series, Detox Made Easy, to learn how you can use alkaline eating herbs and detox to support your body and your skin as they heal from the inside out. Don't forget to join my new Facebook group, Alkaline Living and Detox, for meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. I am Timotha Lanae. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.